Top 5 MikroTik router OS configuration mistakes. First of all, weak or no passwords. We usually configure MikroTik router, but we did not set password, or we can set password 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is very weak configuration. So how to set it? Just connect the router, then go to system to users. By default, in MikroTik router, there is a admin user. Better, you can disable the admin user. Or if you keep admin user, you should use strong password. In my case, I suggest you please create a new user. Like click plus, then given the name and group full, and set a strong password. Then apply. Okay. Then you can disable the admin user. Just click here, then login the router. You can log in your created user, right? So admin user you don't need to use, and you can disable it. And also we use default Winbox port number. In that case, if we use default Winbox software, in that case you should change the Winbox port number. So how to change the port number? You should go to IP2 services, then double click here, then you can put like that, apply. Okay. And if you try to log in the router, you are not able to log in the router, right? So if hacker know actually username password, he is not able to log in the router using Winbox. If you know the port number, then you are able to log in the router. Now you can able to log in the MikroTik router. So that always change Winbox port number. Another misconfiguration, like we don't disable our unused port. Let's say if we don't disable unused port, what happen? Like I'm not able to log in the MikroTik router using Winbox, whereas I can able to log in the router. You can open a software, then provide router IP port number, then click open. Now hacker can able to log in the router, right, using PuTTY. What is the reason? Because in this router SSH port is enabled. In that case, we need to disable unused ports. How to disable? You have to go to the IP2 service, then you can disable those unused ports. Then if the hacker try to log in the router, he is not able to log in your router SSH or telnet. Network error. Very good. Another misconfiguration, we don't update our router. So it's also one of the risky configuration, because all update there is some fixing, right? So how to upgrade? You should go to system to package, then you should check for updates. Now you can see my install version is 6.49.15, but the available version is 1.8. So just click download and install. It will be installed soon. It's rebooting. Now if you click check for package, now it's showing system is already up to date. Also, you need to upgrade firmware for security purpose. Always you should keep up to date of your router firmware. So how to do it? System to router board. Then click. Now you can see the current version is 1.3 and the upgrade version is 1.8, right? Just upgrade. Yes. I need to reboot the router. Okay, system to reboot. Then yes. Now you can see the current firmware is 1.8 and also upgrade firmware is 1.8. Very good. The final misconfiguration is we don't keep backup in our router. If anything happen like the router is crashed or something reset or sort of things, you have no backup. So definitely whatever you configure every day, try to keep a backup of your router. Now the question is how to collect a backup file. So you should go to the system, you should go to the files, then there is the option is backup. Just put a name like one, then click backup, then just drag and drop here. So in that case, if the router crash or you are going to set up a new router here, then you can just drag and drop here, right? Thank you for watching.